Hey guys, we're here at World of Concrete today. Got the Makita XCU03, 36 volt X2. So we're running 18 volt batteries here. Times 2 is 36 volt batteries, 36 volt motors. Brushless motor technology inside here. Okay, got a rear handle, so the batteries are midstream up here, up in the unit. Here's your bar oil with adjustments down here for how much bar oil is going to go in. This is all toolless, so if you need to loosen the bar up, you loosen this up. You can loosen that takes the whole platform off. You can remove the bar and the chain, or you can just use this tensioning device here to get the chain tension right on the chain. Okay, you got onboard battery detection right here, so that's going to give you your battery life. Batteries are also measured right there. This is your safety mechanism here, so if there's a kickback, I'll do that again. That's what it's going to happen there. So the safety's on right now. So in order to run the unit, you pull the safety back, you turn the unit on. We're going to make a test cut. That's the Makita XCU03.